Welcome to our Python tutorial on creating NACA airfoils in FreeCAD. In this video, we will explore a Python script that generates NACA airfoil geometries based on user-defined parameters. Before we embark on this exciting journey of exploring Python in the context of FreeCAD, it's important to ensure a solid understanding of both Python programming and the basics of FreeCAD. Our channel offers a variety of Python tutorials that cover the fundamental concepts. We also have a collection of FreeCAD tutorials that introduce you to the essential features and functionalities of this powerful open-source CAD software. If you haven't watched our previous Python and FreeCAD tutorials yet, we highly recommend starting from the beginning. This will provide you with a strong foundation in Python programming and the necessary knowledge to apply Python within the FreeCAD environment. Key concepts to focus on include understanding the FreeCAD interface, creating and manipulating 3D objects, working with constraints, and applying Python scripting to automate tasks and extend the functionality of FreeCAD. FreeCAD offers a unique opportunity to combine the power of Python programming with the world of computer-aided design. We're thrilled to have you join us on this learning adventure. So, let's dive in and explore how Python can enhance your FreeCAD workflows and unlock new possibilities. Today, we will learn the use of Python coding to add GUI for providing NACA airfoil parameters, and by accepting the parameters, NACA airfoil will be generated automatically. Let's understand the Python script first. This line imports the math module, which provides mathematical functions and constants. This line imports the FreeCAD module and assigns it the name app. FreeCAD is a 3D modeling software. This line imports the part module from FreeCAD, which provides geometric modeling functionality. This line imports the Qt-GUI module from the PySide library, which is used for creating graphical user interfaces. This line defines a class named NACA Dialog that inherits from the Qt-GUI.QDialog class. It represents a custom dialog box for inputting NACA airfoil parameters. This line defines the initialization method for the NACA dialog class. It takes an optional parent argument and is called when an instance of the class is created. This line calls the constructor of the parent class to initialize the dialog. This line sets the title of the dialog window to NACA airfoil parameters. This line creates a new QForm layout object and assigns it to the layout attribute of the dialog. QForm layout arranges widgets in a two-column form layout. This line creates a QLabel widget with the text maximum camber, M, and assigns it to the M_label attribute of the dialog. This line creates a QLine edit widget and assigns it to the M_line_edit attribute of the dialog. This line adds the M_label and M_line_edit widgets as a new row in the dialog's layout using self.layout.addRow. The next lines follow a similar pattern as above script, creating QLabel and QLine edit widgets for the parameters, location of maximum camber, P, maximum thickness, T, and number of points on the airfoil. They also add these widgets to the dialog's layout. This line creates a QPush button widget with the text OK and assigns it to the OK_button attribute of the dialog. This line connects the clicked signal of the OK_button to the create_airfoil method of the dialog. This means that when the button is clicked, the create_airfoil method will be called. This line adds the OK_button widget as a new row in the dialog's layout. This line sets the dialog's layout to the previously defined layout. The following block of code defines the create_airfoil method, which is called when the OK_button is clicked. This method calculates the coordinates of the NACA airfoil, based on the input parameters, and uses FreeCAD to create a new document, sketch object, and add the airfoil curves to the sketch. If you are not familiar with this, we request you to watch and understand the concept from previous tutorials. This line creates an instance of the NACA dialog class and assigns it to the variable dialog. This line executes the dialog and checks if it was accepted. If the dialog was accepted, it means the airfoil was created successfully. The pass statement here indicates that you can add your own code to handle this case. If the dialog was cancelled or closed, The pass statement here indicates that you can add your own code to handle this case. Copy this script. Launch FreeCAD. Paste script here. Check for errors. Press Enter to execute. You can see here Input Parameters dialog box. Enter values. Values are of NACA 2412. You can make similar dialog box for any input needs. We will take 300, number of points. Click OK to see magic. This is how you can make NACA Airfoil by taking inputs from dialog box. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add new body. Select Sketch and drop under Body. Click on Pad tool to extrude sketch. You can scale this body in desired dimensions. Let's change the color of this body. Double-click on Body. Right-click. Select Appearance. Select Body Color. Thank you for watching this tutorial, hope you will give thumbs up.